Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a journal entry. We are going to start writing in our journals. These are the supplies you're going to need before you start writing in your journal. You'll need some crayons, a pencil. We sent everybody a journal home, a primary journal with lines underneath and an empty space at the top for pictures. And then you may want to use your alphabet chart that we sent you to help you write the letters for the sounds that you hear. This is how we're going to work in our journals. Every day we're going to do one page, only one. So today I'm going to open my journal up to the very first page. Right here, page number 1. This is the only page that I'm going to be working on today. Only working on one page. So the first thing I do when I'm going to write my journal is I'm going to go ahead and put my date. And I'm going to write my date the short way. Remember that I'm going to write a 9 for September, make a circle, then a line. That's the way we make a 9. And then I'm going to put a dash. And then I'm going to write the number for how many days we've had in September. There have been 4 days in September. So I'm going to write a number 4. And then I'm going to put another dash. And the last number tells me what year it is. It's 2020. So I'm going to write a 20. A 2, around and back on a railroad track, and a 0. Look how I'm trying to make all my numbers sit on the red line. The red line is our bottom line. This is where our letters should sit. They should sit on this red line. The solid blue line is our top line. All of our tall letters will touch the top line. The blue dotted line is our middle line, and my small letters will touch the middle line in the bottom line. Sometimes I have a fall letter like Y or G or P, and they fall under the red line into this empty space right here. We'll talk some more about that when we begin working on handwriting. I just wanted to explain to you what those lines were for in case you've never seen them. So when we begin kindergarten, when I'm writing in my journal, I'm going to start with my picture. My picture is going to be what I start with, and that's going to help me get my feelings and my thoughts organized. And so today I'm going to start with my picture of what I want to tell you about. And I want to tell you about something we have special at my house right now. We have a new puppy at my house, and her name is Wheezy. So I'm going to draw Wheezy. I drew my puppy, and I'm going to draw some other details because I want to add lots of details to my journal. I drew my puppy, and my puppy likes to eat, so I'm going to draw her food bowl. And she also likes to play with a ball, so I'm going to draw her favorite ball. It's red. I'm going to add those colors in a minute. And she likes to go on a walk. So I'm going to draw her leash right up here. And here is my hand. I am holding her leash. Let's see. I think I'll wear a dress today. And I wear my tennis shoes when I walk Wheezy because she gets a little crazy. So I'm going to add some color to my drawing. Wheezy is kind of a creamy color, so I'm going to use my peach. She has a little brown in her too. I'm going to use a little brown with my peach. See if I can get her color right. Her ears are a little darker, and her legs and body maybe are a little darker. She has curly hair, so I'm drawing lots of curly, curvy lines. She's got crazy hair. She's crazy. All right, and her food bowl is silver. So let's see, maybe I could find a gray. I'll draw her, color her food bowl. And her favorite ball is red, so I'm going to use my red to color her favorite ball red. And then let's see, I have some tennis shoes, and they're kind of, we'll call them purple. Color my leg. And let's see, I think I'll wear a purple dress to match my tennis shoes. When I'm doing my drawing, that's helping me think about what I want to write about. Let's see, I have one more thing to add. I'm going to color Wheezy's leash, and it's pink. So now I've finished my picture and I know what I'm going to write about today. I'm going to write, my dog is Wheezy. So I'm going to think about my first word, my. I can break apart the sounds. I hear like moon. Oh, letter M. My dog. Oh, what letter do I hear when I do? Oh, it's got a picture of a dog, so I know that's going to be letter D. And I'm going to usually use my lowercase letters. D, octopus. G, gumball. My dog. Now, you might not know all the letters to write, and that's okay. We are working on this. Do not ask Mom and Dad how to spell things. I don't want to know what Mom and Dad can write. I want to know what you can write. Sometimes you might hear sounds, and it might not be the exact way that we spell a word. I wrote the word is. Those were the sounds I heard. It wasn't the exact way to spell a word, but that's okay because I'm listening to my sounds and I'm doing my best. My dog is easy. And I'm going to put a period in the sentence. My dog is Wheezy. If you have some more to say, you can add that and keep adding your writing. Sometimes I can do something and I can add a label in my picture. I'm going to draw an arrow and I'm going to tell you this is a ball. Ball. Maybe I just know the first sound, and so I'll just write the first sound. That's okay. And this is her food. Food. If you hear more than one sound, you can write all of the sounds that you hear. This is my dog. Dog. And this is me. E. You can add labels to help us understand your picture. You can write words to tell us a story. Don't forget to start with your date. We can't wait to see what your first journals look like. How many pages are you writing on? 1 page. Only the first page. We'll talk some more about journal on Tuesday when we come back to school, and we'll show you how to do the second page. But today we're only writing on one page. Think about what you can tell me about. Maybe you're going to tell me about what you like to do, or what you like to play, or a sport, or maybe about your family. I can't wait to hear all about you in your journal. Have fun!